Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick kind of chatty get ready with me on this makeup look. I went to a party a couple weeks ago and here's the pictures from it. I got lots of questions on this makeup look. I never get to get ready like this anymore and like have a glam fun moment. It's usually like quick 5-minute makeup, so I figured why not turn the camera on and bring you guys with me through this fun makeup look. A lot of these products that I use today are actually products that I use every day. I just use them in a different way. I thought it would be a perfect time to share it with you guys because right now the Sephora holiday savings event is going on. So if you wanted to purchase anything and you've been waiting for the event, now is the best time to shop. So let's go ahead and get started with the get ready with me. But first, if you are new, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. That is where I post daily content, tons of gift guides, holiday decor, outfit ideas, everything you need. I'm gonna be your guide for the holiday season. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. I will have the link down below. Okay, I've got my coffee. I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna do a little makeup. And good news, right now the Sephora holiday savings event is going on. I talk about this event every year. It's my favorite time to stock up on all of my favorite products, try new products. So big shout out to Sephora for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I'll have my phone screen up here so you guys can see, but on November 5th, Rouge early access starts and that's 20% off. On November 9th, VIB preferred access starts, that's 15% off. And on the 11th, all tiers are open and that's 10% off. So if you're shopping online, make sure to use the promo code YAYHOLIDAY. I'll have everything down below in the description box. But if you haven't already signed up for Sephora's Beauty Insider program, make sure you do that so that you can get the discount and get the savings. It's just my favorite time of year to shop at Sephora. I shop there year round, obviously, because I am a Rouge member, but specifically during the savings events, I love to kind of go ham and buy everything. So all these products that I'm gonna share with you guys today are my favorites, and then you can pick them up during the sale as well. If they don't sell out, stuff sells out super fast. So I will have everything linked below. Let's get started. Starting off with the Glow Drops from Glow Recipe, the watermelon ones. They smell so good. They prep your skin for makeup. They give you a nice glow underneath. I don't like cakey, heavy makeup at all. That's kind of what I use in place of a primer. It feels so good on the skin. Okay, for foundation, this has been my current go-to favorite. Daytime, nighttime, doesn't matter. It's the Prisme Libre from Givenchy. I love this color too, by the way, 4W307. On the night of the party, I used a brush, but typically I've been using my hands for like the past year because it just is a lot more like on the go, and that's what I need. I usually don't have too much time to do my makeup, so let's put this on. This is lightweight, but it gives you medium to full coverage. It gives you a nice glow and it looks incredible in photos and videos. It covers everything that you need to, but doesn't cover up the natural like texture of your skin in a good way. Milk Concealer, I showed this on an Instagram video, I think last month. This has been my go-to under eye concealer. Another just super lightweight product that really brightens and looks beautiful on the skin. Even when I'm doing like night out makeup, I don't like anything heavy. Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. You only need a little bit of this. It is extremely pigmented and it's absolutely beautiful. I actually kind of use this, not on accident, but my other favorite like cream contour that I love, see how pigmented it is, I left it in Florida and I was like, well, I'll just use this one. I have it here. I couldn't remember if I'd even used it or not. I probably had, but I just forgot that it was like so good. And it's really, really pretty. So you can see this really like chisels your face and gives you a great like cheekbone, and I just love the color. Setting that with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. All of these products are true favorites that I love. If you guys have been following my channel for 7 years or 7 months or 7 days, you've probably heard me talk about this bronzer. I love it. It's so pretty and glowy. So I kind of use the contour one to contour, and then this is more of just like a bronzer all over. And then for blush, I layered a couple, and I really love the way that it looks. So my favorite blushes for the past few years have been the Laura Mercier Blush Infusion, Passion Fruit, and Fresco. Fresco is a really pretty bronzy color, and Passion Fruit is just like a pretty punchy, peachy color. I layer both. The Fresco all over. The color might look a little washed out because I'm on my, I'm using my camera as a mirror right now, but I have the ring light set up here. I never do that, but I'm taking it serious to show you guys this beautiful look. And then the pinky one, just kind of right on the front. Okay, and then for lipstick, I wanted to do something bronzy, beigey to match the bronzer, and the blush color in my outfit was like white and gold. So Iconic Nude from Charlotte Tilbury. Now this is what's so pretty, day or night as well. Fenty Beauty, I love the Fenty foundation as well. This is their Slip Shine in the color for Makeout Break. If you are not a gloss person, but you like a shiny, glossy lip without the tacky, sticky feeling, this is so pretty. Looks like a gloss, but it feels like a lip balm. It gives you a hint of color. Easy to throw this in your bag. Easy to throw it on without looking in the mirror. Then you want your makeup to last all day. I have found, don't want to hurt my light here. I have found the all-time best setting powder. One of my favorite brands is Lawless. I love their foundation. I love their blushes. Everything I try from them, I love. Glam Guard Setting Spray. This is truly to guard your glam all night. It's the like finest mist, so it doesn't disrupt your makeup or anything. You don't feel like super oily or like wet after like you do with a lot of different mists. I love this one. Just really, really pretty fine mist. And then I did do a little shadow, just like a little bronzy in the crease and a shimmer on the lid. I keep that so simple, but that is my look. That's exactly what I did. So here is my final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I will link every product in order as well as shade names down below in the description box. You guys know I love shopping at Sephora for everything from skincare to beauty products to hair, body, different beauty tools. Everything that I use on a daily basis is pretty much from Sephora, especially when it comes to beauty. So the holiday savings event is just one of my favorite times of year to stock up on all of my favorite items, try out new items. Like I said, I will have the different tiers with the different discounts right here so that you guys can see. I'm a Rouge member because I shop there all the time and I love sharing new products with you guys and trying out new things. So I'm so excited to go shopping. I'm actually filming this a couple days early, but I have my list ready to go, stocking up on a couple things from this video. And these are all of my favorites, things that I use on a daily basis. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me for a little bit today. If you want to see more behind the scenes and more stuff that I'm doing on a daily basis, gift guides, holiday decor, holiday outfits, tons of inspiration on the daily, make sure to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Alexandrea Garza. And I always link all of my clothes, beauty products, perfume, everything that I'm using, loving, and sharing on a daily basis are always shared on my Like to Know It on their app. So you can go ahead and follow me on that app as well. It's just Alexandrea Garza. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. Let me know down below in the comments what are some of your favorite items. Have you tried any of these items? Let me know. I need to finish up my list so I can go shopping too. So if there's something you think I would love and we have like similar taste in makeup, let me know down below in the comments and I will see you guys next time. Bye.